Welcome to Thena's channel. This is the Whistler Treetop House, a stunning home designed by Evoke International Design, located in the breathtaking landscape of Whistler, Canada. This 3,900 square foot residence seamlessly integrates into its steeply sloped site, creating a dynamic connection between nature and modern architecture. The design prioritizes outdoor living, maximizing southern exposure to bring natural light deep into the home during Whistler's long winters. Sharp geometric forms, expansive glass windows, and natural wood finishes give this home a contemporary yet warm aesthetic, blending effortlessly with the surrounding forest. Built for an active family of 4, the house features multiple levels that embrace both privacy and openness, ensuring a permanent home feel rather than just a seasonal retreat. For a closer look, enjoy the detailed shots of this stunning house from various angles.